Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow Steam to access camera on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we basically need to do is head on over to apps. So I'm on a Samsung, so I'm just going to scroll down and it should be kind of near the bottom of the page here. So look for apps, here it is here. So click on the apps, then from here we need to do a search. So do a search for Steam. Now, then click into Steam. Then from here, we want to scroll down, and under permissions, this is where the fun begins. So we need to make sure camera is allowed. So go ahead and click on allow. And then from here, we can even ask every time or allow only while using the app. I'm going to choose the first option. Now, another way to get into app permissions in Steam is to find your Steam app, click and hold it down, the button, and then click on the eye, and you can get there like so. Now if you're using an iPhone, basically it's similar. So head into settings, then scroll down and tap Steam, or search for it, tap camera, and then turn on camera access.